Ultimate Twinkl members enjoy free access to our dedicated online training platform for professional development. No matter your role, find courses that fit your schedule, upskill at your own pace and apply what you learn the very next day. To access your PD account, follow these steps. Firstly, go to your membership perk. This can be found in the My Account section and click on the Redeem Offer button on the Twinkl Professional Development banner. Once clicked, complete the information form and click Buy to enjoy your courses as an Ultimate member. And that's it, you're ready to start developing your skills with Twinkl PD. Don't forget, we'll be adding courses at regular intervals, so keep checking back for even more perks on us. Have a need for something specific for your professional development and can't see a course that suits? Email us at info@twinklpd.com with the subject, I need your support, and we'll be in touch soon.